and welcome to this new tutorial of PHP series, that is the conditional statements. So you all know the importance of conditional statements in any programming language. Likewise, the importance of conditional statements in PHP language is also there. So we will see one by one all the conditional statements. Then we will see the code example or a program of these all conditional statements, and after that we will run that code and see the output. So this is full practical session, so watch completely till end and understand all the concept related to the conditional statement. So let's get started. So first conditional statement in PHP is if statement. So what is if statement? It executes some code if one condition is true. So if the condition is true, then it executes the code. Then the second statement is if else statement. So it executes some code if a condition is true, and it executes another code if that condition is false. So here are two conditions. If true, then it executes the condition, and if false, then it executes the false part. Then the third conditional statement is if else statement. That is, you can say the nested if else. So it executes different codes for more than two conditions. Which conditions satisfy that code will execute. So simple as that. The fourth conditional statement is switch statement, which selects one of many blocks of code to be executed. So in switch statement there are many blocks present. If block 1 satisfy the condition, then that block will be executed, and rest of the blocks will not execute in that case. So we will see these four conditional statements with the example. So let's see the example here. So the example of this conditional statements is here. So this PHP script is start with the question mark PHP tag, that is the PHP tag. Then first we will see the switch statement, the echo. Here we have echoed the switch statement, that is the title of our code. Then we have taken first variable, that is dollar favorite color is equal to red. So the favorite color variable holds the value red. Then we have taken here the switch case, switch in small case, in brackets dollar favorite color, that is our condition. So case 1 is red, in double quotes we have taken the case red. If the case red satisfies, then we are printing your favorite color is red, and after the printing we are breaking our statement here. So that for that we have used the break statement. So break semicolon. Then the next case is blue. Here we are echoing your favorite color is blue. Okay, then break. Then the third case is green. Here we have echoing your favorite color is green. So after that we have breaking this case. And if about three cases are not satisfied, then we are printing the default case here. So default semicolon. This code you have to remember, or this syntax you have to remember for the default case, and we are echoing or printing the statement, and after that we are closing the curly braces and the PHP tag, that is question mark. So this is the code for switch case where we have taken the favorite color as red. So in after the executing of this code, first the switch statement, this statement will print as it is. Then we have taken red as our favorite color. So switch here, red will taken, and after that case red will execute because we have taken the red as our favorite color. So this case will execute, that is, it will print your favorite color is red, and after that the break will execute, and after that the program will terminate. So our output will be the favorite color is. Here we will see the output after running this code. So we are running this code, that is our switch statement, your favorite color is red. Likewise, there will be a if statement, that is if a exactly equal to b, then execute the following statements: if else, if else, if else. So these are some of the simple statements, that's why I have not included in this program or in this code. So switch case I have included in the program here. One thing in the switch case, if we took the favorite color as the blue, then the output will be switch statement and your favorite color is blue. If we take the favorite color as green, then output will be switch statement and your favorite color is green. And if we take the favorite color as, for example, white, then it will not match any of the case here. So the default case will print, that is, in that case the output will be switch statement and your favorite color is neither red, blue nor green. So this is the output printed if the case does not match. So this is the switch statement. We will use this switch for many applications, like if you have to print the grade of the student according to the percentages. So for that purpose you will use this switch case, like distinction grade, first class, second class, and pass class and fail. So these cases will print in this switch case also. So this is the our today's tutorial of statements or conditional statements. And do like, comment, and share this video. Also do not forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.